as you can.
Hello? Am I right?
Well, Miss Mason, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for your input. A fighting performance. And if there's nothing else, I'll ask you to leave us to our final deliberation.
That's it.
Oh, I think you've said enough. Yeah, well worth the wait. We'll inform you of our decision by the close of play today.
Well, thank you for listening. And please, choose carefully. There's an awful lot at stake.
All right.
That's Eileen. And the other one's Margaret. Doing what I can. I've got no one.
Is this where people come when they're really, really sorry?
Oh, don't mind me. You two just pretend I'm not here.
Look, I'm really sorry too. I know you can fight your own battles, and I certainly don't think their assistants are more lovely than teachers.
I know that. And all this stuff with Grantley, it's really put things into focus for me. I agree with him. I don't think it's all that great being a teaching assistant.
Excuse me. And, just ignore Grantley. He's threatened by everything.
I think TA's doing a great job.
No, I know. I'm not slagging off the job. I'm just saying it's not enough for me. I want more. I want to be a teacher. What? Don't you think I could do it?
I think you'd be a brilliant teacher. I mean, you'd have to qualify, but...
Really? Well, it can't be that difficult. You did it. And besides, there's this guy I know who can't stop helping me. So, how hard can it be?
Well, I've still got all my coursework at home. Might help. Pop round tonight if you want. Mate.
What are you doing here? Finished. Is there anything else you want me to do?
Well, you change your tune. Worried about my report, are you?
No. Just wanted to do a good job, that's all.
Wait, what are you
There's no
doing?
point starting anything now. Just stay out of trouble till knocking off time.
Ta.
And then have a truck to get out. This guy's an idiot, man.
It's poisonous, that one.
Oh, I don't know.
But you watch yourself. Don't act like her, you'll have me to answer to.
God.
Broken the rules. So now you're going to see Mason. Hey! Stop that! What the hell do you think you're doing?
We're allowed. The enforcers, Mr. Lawson said.
We're taking him to your office.
I asked you to have a word, not form a vigilante force. Got half the school lined up out there.
Now they're keen. But when have you seen the likes of Paul Langley here
after home time and doing something for the school.
Yes, but this, Eddie.
Look, I'm sorry, but what you said this morning was right. Being in the Lessons for Life shouldn't make anyone's life any harder. But obviously, we need to monitor it, but I think it'll work. And so does Tom. It was his idea. But I should have waited for your okay, and for that, I apologise.
Thank you, accepted.
How did it go with the LEA?
Oh, don't ask.
And who'd they give it to?
They are deciding as we speak.
What about your pal Stuart? How did his pitch go?
He's not my pal.
Everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine. Seems LEA meetings don't bring out the best of me, that's all.
You being serious? You should flip that truck.
Oh, don't be daft, love. You go out and enjoy yourself. You don't want to be stuck here with a bunch of coughing dodgers.
Shut up. Oh, I've had the best time.
You know what? I'm just gonna go spin the truck around and follow that guy.
I can't believe I'm saying that. Now you look after yourself. Go easy on that sherry. Who knows? If you're good, someone might bring you some more. See you, Linda.
So, how'd it go?
Smart, yeah. The manager reckons I'm a natural. So, might be a proper job in it, no. So, what about you?
Pretty good. I was a little nervous at first, but the stylist is really easygoing. It was a laugh.
It's weird, innit? Us lot just finished a hard day's work.
Yeah, and I thought maybe we could go out, celebrate.
I'd love to, Chloe, but I've got homework to do.
Homework?
Yeah. I want to work myself for all these. Plus, I want to be sharp for tomorrow, you know? I mean, this light gonna sell itself, is it?
Fine. Some other time then.
Definitely. You ready, Sal?
Yeah.
I need a pen. Lift off the screen. 33045.
Miss, I want to go back to Kirby Mills.
Well, those are words I never thought I'd hear. Come in. Actually, you know what? There was a message from them. Oh. Apparently you were involved in an accident.
Miss, it was an accident, honestly.
And there's a comment from your supervisor, Linda Dorkin. She said she was impressed with your patience and your positive attitude, and the school should be proud of you.
She said that?
Yeah.
That Linda was on my case the whole time.
Really?
You know when someone's winding you up and you don't want them to win? It was like that all day. I could have just said sod it and gone up, but I didn't.
Well, good for you.
So I'm going back then. I'm not scared of her. I'm not scared of anything, mate.
God, there's so much to do, isn't there? Yeah, remember, it looks worse than it is. It's for a full-time PGCE. You're more likely going to be doing the registered teachers program, so you can work at the same time.
Well, what's it about?
I see why not. Vocational teacher training's right up Rachel's street, isn't it?
I know I was horrible to you today, but... Well, I need to ask you something.
Okay.
You have to be honest with me.
Sure.
Do you really think I can do this?
What, the RTP? Of course you can.
You're not just saying that.
You are the most able and energetic person in that place. You could get a PhD if you put your mind to it.
Thank you.
I thought we were supposed to be doing the friends thing.
How's that working for you?
Councillor Philby, yeah. Right. Well, it was never about you or me, was it? I'm just glad the school's getting what it deserves at last. Okay, well, thanks for letting me know. You too.
Everything okay?
Hawley construction on a bit.
Oh, Stuart. Bet you're pleased.
Why?
Well, Stuart Hordley. I thought we all rather liked his plan. Anyway, he is quite easy on the eye as builders go. Anyway, Steph, your expenses. I mean, how did you manage to spend so much? Well, I think the expression is speculate to accumulate. If you're asking for money, you've got to, you know, sweeten the pill a little. I was representing this school.
There will be no more trips abroad, not until this one yields results. As finance director, I'm sure you understand that.
Does this mean I can reclaim sole use of my office?
Well, that's the other thing I wanted to talk to you about. As this funding initiative is going to keep you occupied for some time yet, and Tom seems to be flourishing in a pastoral care role. Well, Eddie and I were thinking of offering it to him on a full-time basis.
Well, that's been building up for quite some time.
But we're still just friends, right?
Oh, you little...
I'm gonna cut this up. That's right. Come on. It's the girls.
Yeah, exactly. Not the Gestapo. Tom, not teenagers.
Tom? Claire?
Let's chat with them close, please, for my sake.
I don't see why I should have to hide. You're not ashamed of me, are you?
Of course not. Hi, Mika. Did you have a good day at school?
Hi.
Hi.
Davina was just,
Right.
I'll, see you tomorrow.
Richard, are you still here?
Have you heard anything yet?
Yes.
Well?
You got it.
Yes! Thank you.
So now you've got what you want. Can you leave, please?
Come on. Don't be like that. We both got a result today. You got a great new building for your school. You can be proud of that.